Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing video on my iPhone XS Max. It's a 64 gigabyte space gray. I'm just so excited for you guys to see this. It's amazing. It's a must buy. Ready? Peeling off. This box. Designed by Apple in California. Typical Apple, nothing new. Oh my god. This feels so amazing in the hands. Wow. Look at that. Yum. Let's see. Welcome. Hello. Startup guide, SIM injection tool, Apple stickers, the Apple EarPods with no dongle, power brick, USB to Lightning. I'm shaking. This one is amazing. Just holding it. It's a fingerprint magnet. I'm gonna try to turn this on. It's gonna take me a while. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you liked my video. I just want to say thank you guys for the subscriptions and everything. Let me know if you want me to make a review once I use the phone for a while, and I'll see what I can do.